The Modicon Gould 55-1010-01 is a DC power supply used for powering 6 individual motor axis boards, used in an Anilam CNC machine. This power supply arrived as a dead unit and required a fair amount of rebuild to bring back to life. As shown in the video, the power supply is relatively straightforward to test, as it is generating a DC bus for the individual axis boards, along with the standard housekeeping voltages. We powered up the unit in the video, and we monitor the DC bus output while cycling the power a number of times. Machine tool design in the 70s and 80s utilized a lot of single power supplies for multiple motor axis units, but recent design has led to more incorporated power supplies into each motor drive, making them more standalone. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.